guys, Chris with Wallowa Hikes. Today I'm trying a freeze-dried meal I haven't had before. Peak Refuel Venison Country Casserole. This is a Chad Mendez signature meal. I have no idea who Chad Mendez is, and I don't particularly care, but I'm sure a lot of people do. So I'm sure I've offended a bunch of people right now just by saying that. But want to try this out and let you know what I think. I'm a big fan of venison, grew up hunting, and so hopefully this will be good. Just waiting for the water to boil. This is going to take 10 minutes and then we'll give it a try. Okay, so we let that go for 10 minutes. It's 1 cup of boiling water, and it seems to have reconstituted really well. It's pretty thick, so if you don't like your meals quite so thick, maybe a little more than a cup of water. Lots of rice in here, and it's, yeah, very thick. We've got some carrots, green beans, and it looks like plenty of venison. Let's see how it tastes. Yeah, it's definitely got that casserole thing going. Plenty of meat, good flavors. Kind of hard to describe, sort of a white type sauce. Lots of rice, very savory. And this has 40 grams of protein in one package, 920 calories. So this is going to be giving you a ton of energy, a ton of protein, and yeah, it tastes pretty good. Again, I haven't had a lot of the Peak Refuel. I've had some other breakfasts, but I wanted to try this out because I'm a big fan of venison. Definitely a good choice. This is something you can generally pick up at like Cabela's or REI. This particular flavor sells out pretty fast apparently, so it's pretty popular, and I can see why. So overall, definitely it reconstitutes well. It's going to be very filling, I can tell, and again, you might want to add a little more water if you don't want it quite as thick. On a scale of 1 to 10, compared to everything I've ever had out in the backcountry, as far as freeze-dried meals go, gonna give it a solid 7+ maybe. It's not the best thing I've ever had, but it's pretty good. I would eat this again. So if it's something you're interested in, Peak Refuel Venison Country Casserole. So want to thank you guys for stopping by, and I'll see you next week. Thanks.